let's unbox. Alright guys, so here we go. So this is the box, typical OnePlus box we have right here. We have OnePlus on the side, OnePlus 8T on this side, on the top blank, the bottom we have the OnePlus logo again. But yeah, now let's get our knife. There we go. Oh. Whoa. We have another OnePlus sign right here. And of course we have the paperwork inside as usual from OnePlus. We have our invitation letters, all of that stuff, quick start guide, everything we need. My favorite, of course, are the OnePlus stickers. Warp Charge 65 right here. Look how thick this charger is. 15 minutes worth of charge for a full day use. That will definitely come in handy. And of course guys, the phone itself, in-display fingerprint reader. Let's try to put the phone to the side. Take a look at the charger itself right here. Always appreciate the OnePlus charger, man. So this is it. This is the 65 watt warp charge right here in hand. Alright guys, now let's look at the phone itself. And from first impressions, this is a very, very light device. Alright. Oh-wee. Oh my god. Look how good this green is. So this is the green colorway, guys. They're calling it green. I think they have green and silver. And it looks amazing. Let's boot this phone up. Of course, we have our screen protector already built in. But powered by Android. This also ships with Oxygen 11 and also Android 11. We also have that quad camera setup. So I'm just gonna boot this thing up, guys. Meanwhile, it's all booting up. I'll give you guys some nice juicy B-roll. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick unboxing of the OnePlus 8T. As I said before, I literally got this phone yesterday, so I can't give my full detailed review, but my first impression, the phone is really good. It doesn't have wireless charging. It has a weird IP rating. I'm not too sure about the IP rating, but it comes in at around $1,000, and for the price, you're getting really solid things. The thing I really like about the OnePlus is, if you guys don't know, I play a lot of games. The 120Hz is dear to my heart. I love the 120Hz, especially because this is probably the only phone that could run Fortnite competitively at 90Hz refresh rate, which is higher than consoles in this today right now. They also improved the cooling on this device. So the previous one, the OnePlus 8, it will get so hot while gaming and then the performance will lower. But I've heard from OnePlus that this one has way better cooling, so gaming is gonna be amazing on this phone, which I'm really looking forward to. Just to touch on the screen a little bit, it's 28% thinner than the previous generation, and also it has a peak net brightness of 1100 brightness, which is really good for outdoor use. The performance on this thing is also really good. It's 12 gigs of RAM and also comes in at 250 gig storage. Also, the cameras on the back of this thing is what I'm really excited to test out, guys. We have quad camera layout right here. So we have a main camera shooter at 48 megapixels, an ultra wide shooter at 60 megapixels, a 5 megapixel macro camera, and a 2 megapixel monochrome camera. But yeah, I'm super excited to test this phone fully out, guys. Bring it outside, get some shots for you, test out the camera, test out the battery life, test out the charging. It's gonna be amazing. So if you're new, don't forget to drop a like and also subscribe so you won't miss out content with the OnePlus 8T. As always, guys, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.